So you're thinking about moving to Houston, Texas. I'm excited to show you around. We have so much to offer as a community. Today, I'm going to take you around downtown Conroe and show you some of the charm and history that has existed in this community since the 1800s, when the timber and oil boom brought people in to develop this lovely community. And if you stick around, you'll know why people have moved to Conroe out of all the northern Houston suburbs the most in the last 5 years. If this is your first time to the channel and you're interested in all things living in Houston and the northern suburbs, then subscribe and you'll be the first to know about all things Houston and our current market. I'm Erica Sprague and I am the owner and broker of Lane Realty. I have lived and worked in the Houston area for almost 20 years. I grew up in San Antonio, I went to Texas A&M University, and then I moved to Houston and I made it my home. So I love helping people move in and around Houston. So whether your move is 9 days or 90 days from now, feel free to reach out. Our contact information is in the description, and we'd love to hear from you and how we can help you make your move to Houston a great one. So we are in downtown Conroe, and we are going to take a walking tour through some of the official government buildings. So this is the beautiful Montgomery County courthouse. And you'll see they have preserved these beautiful oak trees and just a very welcoming environment. It's been here since the late 1800s. So Conroe came to be in the 1800s with the oil and timber boom, and many were coming here because of the oil that was struck in the northern Houston area, and that brought businesses here to develop the downtown. We have several law firms surrounding the courthouse, and we have several retail businesses as well. We have the Paulette Cafe right here, which is a popular stop for attorneys in between cases. We have a wide selection of pastries, and as you can see, they offer pizza as well. It's a very walkable downtown, and things that keep Conroe growing are its love of culture. The downtown does a tremendous job of supporting the community culture. They have theaters. They have several venues for live music. They take pride in supporting local artists. So on any given night, at any given venue, you can sit down and enjoy some tunes from a local artist who's trying to make it. So several businesses, as I said, a lot of them are law firms, so not a lot of activity going on just yet this morning. We're gonna turn this corner and you're gonna see one of the retailers who has been here for just about 90 years. They have been located in downtown Conroe and have been working in this community successfully. And that is Mimi's on Main. They are an antique shop, and you can go in there and spend hours just looking at all of the items they have to offer. As you can see, this is the back side of the courthouse. So you can enter it from multiple places around the square. You have your historic buildings that have been preserved so that businesses can still inhabit them, yet the charm and character of the community is maintained. Here you have the Red Brick Tavern, which is one of those venues that supports local artists. So you should definitely stop in here when you have a chance. Just really pretty, you know, brings back that historic charm. Conroe is the community that has grown the most since 2019. So 2019 was our pre-COVID, our last year of normalcy before COVID hit. And in 2019, you had about 2,000 homes sold in the Conroe area. And when the 2 years of COVID, which is pretty much 2020 through 2022 hit, you had over 5,000 homes sold in the Conroe area. And that number has not changed significantly since there. Each year after 2022, so 2023 and 2024, we have had between 3,000 and 4,000 homes sold each year. So COVID really spiked growth in Conroe, and it hasn't been deterred since then. So people are coming here and loving Conroe and just really embracing the history, the charm, the small town feel with the great proximity to Houston. You are about 45 to 60 minutes away from Houston, and you have a great school district. Conroe ISD is one of the largest and strongest school districts in the Houston area, let alone Texas itself. So if you are looking for strong school districts, a city or suburb that supports parks and community, then Conroe is definitely a great choice for you. We are going to walk over here. You see the Owen Theater across the road. Conroe Founders Plaza is the outdoor venue where you can see, again, local talent come and play for you. And then Owen Theater is a theater where you can go and enjoy some culture and some arts. So this is Conroe Founders Plaza. They have outdoor seating, a stage that's covered. And then here's a map of the downtown area. This is great because it's showing you where public parking is. It lists the different theaters. You have Owen Theater, Crichton Theater, the Heritage Place Outdoor Park. You have the tax office, the courthouse, City Hall, and there's also a Baptist church as well as a Walgreens within the heart of Conroe. So we are walk through here. You'll see it's very pretty. They do a great job of keeping up the landscaping and making sure it's welcoming to the community and the people who want to use this. And one of the great things about living in the Houston area is that while it is hot and it is humid, we like to be outside, and our weather year-round really supports that. So when you have communities that provide for opportunities to get outside and enjoy it, have seating areas, have covered areas, that really promotes community, and Conroe is definitely advocating for that and encouraging their neighbors to get out, see one another, get to know each other, and support business owners. Here we have another antique shop. There is Memorial Veterans Park, which is not in the heart of the downtown square, but is just on the other side of 105. So you'll see several flags, some monuments dedicated to the veterans who have fought and possibly lost their lives for our great country. You see up here, you have an upstairs eatery. You can sit outside, enjoy your beverages and your food. One of also the cool things about downtown Conroe is you don't see a lot of vacancy. Most of the available retail space and office space is occupied, which really speaks to the stableness of the economy, the strength of business owners, and the community supporting them. So if you're looking to have a small business and you want a storefront, then Conroe could definitely be a good place for you to check out. As I said, there's a public garage over here to the left that is free parking. So ample parking available for those of you looking to either go to the courthouse, whether you're getting married or filing some legal paperwork, or you're just here for the day and you want to get out and discover all the things that Downtown Conroe has to offer. A financial firm can handle your finances while you're down here. And Guadalala Harry's is the establishment we saw from the back. They have the outdoor eating area. It is Cajun and seafood steaks and burgers. I hope you've enjoyed your tour around Downtown Conroe and that you've learned a little bit more about why this community has grown so much in the last 5 years and its desire to provide a cultural and community-centered feel. We have other videos about suburbs in the North Houston area. We'd encourage you to check those out if this has been of use to you.